On 8th April 2025, Supreme Court of India for the first time has set the definite timeline to the governors of the state who are misusing the provisions under the Article 200, and therefore many times the court observed that the state governors were sitting on the bill for the indefinite or the inordinate period of time, which was supposed to be the threat to the democratic process, and therefore the Supreme Court of India has set the definite timeline or the scheduled structure to the governors, and within that period of time the governor has to take the decision. And there are three. The governor's role is now limited to three clear options. Number one is he can grant assent to the bill. Number two, he can withhold assent to the bill. Or number three, he can reserve the bill for the President's reference. Now you see the further timeline how the Supreme Court of India has set. Point number one, with the aid and advice of the Council of Ministers, the governor can give the assent or reserve the bill for the President's reference. If you want to do this, you can do it within a 1 month period of time. Without aid and advice of the Council of Ministers, if governor wishes to withhold the bill, he can withhold the bill for 3 months, but within that period he has to send back to the state legislatures for the reconsideration. Number three, without aid and advice of the Council of Ministers, if governor wishes to reserve the bill for the President's reference, he can do this within 3 months. And point number four, if governor sent the bill back to the state legislatures for the reconsideration, and once it repassed or re-enacted by the state legislatures, and when it is resent to the governor, at this time the governor gets only 1 month period to give the or to grant assent to the bill. Otherwise, whatever the judgment he gives contrary to this are subjected to the judicial scrutiny. Thank you.